Hello, Andrew's Clues here. We have a breakdown. We have a chain that has come off the sprocket, and we are about to see how long this repair takes.
Okay, Ruth, you can be...
Second time.
Second time in a few minutes. Max and Chris are here. There's where the chain is. It's wedged in there, so...
Go real loose.
We're loosening the axle bolts. The cotter pin has already been removed.
Okay, kick it in now.
We have one toolkit.
Hold on, I gotta get this down. 5 bikes in one toolkit.
Alright, Chris, you just hit that.
30 seconds.
Mike, can you use it? Hold that side. So,
we're just seeing how fast he can do it.
Without losing a finger.
That doesn't matter.
Oh.
Fingers. It's all about speed.
You don't need fingers. You got 10 of them.
You don't need no stinky.
I can do without one or two.
Oh, you should have your gloves on, dude.
But not
1 minute.
Gotta rock the chain out of there.
He's rocking the chain out.
That wasn't jammed as hard.
How was the sprocket teeth on that shot?
They're beautiful.
No.
They're nice.
Actually very good.
Okay, chain's back on.
Where were we at before? 5?
We were right at 5. Put it on 11. One minute, 30 seconds.
No, that's actually, you got to go tighter.
Yeah, I know.
Ruth, get out a screwdriver.
Hit the front brake.
Front brake.
Notch over 5.
Tow it.
2 minutes.
Hit that. Can you get it?
I got it a notch over 5 on this side. I'm going to try something, Chris. Just hold on. Try it now. I'm kicking it that way.
2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Did it go? Felt like
Yep. Yeah, you gotta keep that.
Okay.
Yeah, it can.
Maybe dog track a little.
No, we got it. We got the other side.
They're on the same number?
Maybe we should leave the cotter pin out and you just watch it.
Maybe not.
Okay, we'll just put the cotter pin in.
Yeah.
Just...
Then you'll lose
3 minutes, 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Utilizing
That's good,
only
that's good.
the
Go through now.
shitty tools you get with a TW200. No offense, Max.
The light bend. Okay. I did see
3.5
horse tracks
minutes.
up there. It was roughly about 5 turns from the end of the rod. And he's got it now, though.
The chain looks super tight.
It'll loosen up.
It's tight, isn't it? You want to break the chain?
4 minutes.
It's not bad.
Done? 4 minutes.
It's very tight.
Not bad.
That chain is really tight.